वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I'm the holistic health coach. Have you ever met someone who has everything? Money, a big house, fancy vacations, but still looks exhausted? And then there is someone else, maybe your grandmother, maybe the street vendor, who has very little, but their face glows with peace. Now, what's the difference? Today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at tongue 682 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji gives us that divine formula. जिसको बिसरे प्राणपत दाता सोई गनु अपागा. The one who forgets the giver of life, count that person as truly unfortunate. This is all about connection, about remembering source, the breath, the life, the love that beats our hearts. Guru Arjan Dev Ji is saying, if we forget our life's very powered source, what can we really achieve? It's like mobile phone on 2% battery, no charger inside, flashy apps won't help. So like this, we look successful but feel drained. Now the magic begins. Charan kamal jaka man raki o amrit sarovar paga, which means the one whose mind is drenched in divine love finds the nectar of life, amrit, a deep satisfying joy that no Amazon package, no achievement can give. Now let me ask you, do you want better health? Do you want to stabilize your finances? Do you want your family relationships to deepen? Guruji says, connect, align, remember. Connect, align, remember. Let's say you are struggling with your health. You try pills, trainers, but stress stays. The mind is noisy. That's because the root cause isn't addressed. Now try this experiment. Start your morning before you even check your phone by sitting just for 3 minutes with your hand on your heart, repeating Vaheguru with love just for 3 minutes. Now this slows down the nervous system, aligns your body and calms your stress. That's not just spirituality, that's biology. Now let's talk money. Have you ever noticed when you are anxious, you make poor financial decisions? So Guruji says, Tera jan ram naam rang jaga. The one who is soaked in the color of Naam, the divine name, is awake. No more sleepy, impulsive choices. You become mindful, alert. You operate from clarity, not from chaos. Money flows better when your mind is not desperate. I repeat, money flows better when your mind is not desperate. And the family? That's the real test. Try bringing Vaheguru into your conversations. Before you lash out, pause and repeat his name silently. You'll notice a different tone emerges. That tiny act can shift an argument into an honest conversation. We all have studied mathematics. Imagine your life as an equation. You have body, consider it at X, career, Y, family, Z. But if you don't anchor these in the constant, the base value, the almighty, the giver, your equation never balances. It is unstable. Add Vaheguruji, your constant, and suddenly X plus Y plus Z is equal to peace. Because then you stop trying to control everything. You flow. I repeat, you stop trying to control everything. You just flow. Think of it this way. You are a musical instrument. Every day life plays you, pressures, deadlines, emotions. But if your strings are not tuned, the music becomes noisy. So now Almighty's remembrance is that tuner. So Guruji says, आलस छिज गया सब तन ते प्रीतम स्यो मन लागा रहाओ. So Guruji says that when your heart is tied to the beloved, all laziness leaves. Energy comes, clarity comes, purpose comes. So a burnt out IT engineer started ending his day with one Japji sap. Slowly, without pressure, within weeks, he started sleeping better. He began waking up early on his own. He started calling his parents more. His body language changed at work. His relationships became better. No extra coaching, just one connection restored. That's the magic of remembrance. That's real success. So let's implement today's Hukamnama. Forget the world, it doesn't matter much, but never forget the one who breathes through you. That's where all answers lie: health, wealth, joy, family, peace. Don't just wake up. Jaag jao naam de rang vich. Wake up in the color of Naam. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Sarbat da bala tan Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.